In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the can't reach this page problem in Microsoft Edge and Chrome. Many users experience this frustrating issue, but don't worry, we're going to tackle it with a clear set of steps that are easy to follow. First things first, let's ensure that your internet connection is up and running smoothly. Sometimes the simplest answer is the correct one. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. To start, try visiting different websites to determine whether the problem is isolated to a single site or if it's a broader issue affecting all web pages. If certain sites are loading while others aren't, the issue might be with a specific site or server. Next, if you're utilizing Wi-Fi, consider switching temporarily to a wired Ethernet connection. This can help identify whether Wi-Fi is the root of the connectivity issue, as Wi-Fi networks can occasionally be unstable or too weak. Another fundamental step is to restart your modem and router. Turning these devices off and back on can frequently resolve connection disruptions, as it essentially refreshes the connection and gadgets involved. If your connection is confirmed stable and you're still facing issues, it might be time to move on to your browser. Let's start by clearing the browsing data to ensure there is no corruption or clutter affecting your browser's performance. In your browser, head over to Settings, then Privacy, Search and Services, and select Clear Browsing Data. From there, you'll want to choose cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then hit Clear Now. This clears stored data that may be causing glitches in web page loading. If you're still encountering difficulty, try flushing the DNS cache, which often resolves connectivity discrepancies caused by outdated DNS records. If you're using Windows, open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Type in ipconfig flushdns and press enter. This action helps clear the DNS cache, effectively resetting it to hopefully resolve any connectivity issues. After that, double check your DNS settings. For Windows users, search for Network and Sharing Center and open it. Once there, click on your active network connection. In the network properties, select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. It's crucial to ensure that both obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically are selected for IPv4 and IPv6. This setting ensures that your computer is fetching DNS server addresses dynamically, which usually resolves the issue. By following these steps systematically, you can not only identify the problem, but likely resolve it. Remember, network issues can sometimes be fickle, so it's essential to remain patient and thorough in your troubleshooting. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips.